Greetings YouTube. How's everybody doing out there today? It's a little muggy out today. A little bit warmer than expected. I got my fan going here. Got my fans going here. Pulled my Camaro out a little bit. I gotta dust it off. I gotta wash it, and it's dusty. But other than that, how is everybody doing out there today? I got an old toolkit here. I shot a video of it, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago. I figure I'll shoot another video of it because now I don't even know if you can find these things anymore. It's the old Craftsman pass-through kit. I won't even use it anymore. I'm gonna hang on to it, even though it is Chinese made. It's probably made by Gear Wrench. I don't know, but I'm gonna hang on to it because I don't want it to get stolen or nothing. So, but the pass through, and you can also make it to where it's a normal ratchet. Let me set you down here. You can also make it where it's a normal ratchet too. And not only that, it's got the locking thing. I thought this here was the neatest kit that Sears ever made. And then you can just pop it out, and move on. I noticed I don't think it has one for the big one. I don't see nothing for the big one. But it came with all your torques. You got wrenches 12 to 16, half inch to 3/4. Torques, torques, and your hex. And it came, let's see, this thing is heavy. It went up to 1 1/3 inch and 24 on the metric, and I got more of the smaller ones down here. And also could also use this, and you got like a nut driver thing, and then your sockets can go on here, and you got a nut driver. So I thought this, I dug this whole set out, and I was like, I'm gonna shoot another video of that thing. It is made in China. I got this thing, God, I'm gonna say maybe close to 10 years ago, and it's still in great shape. I used it. I had it in my car, and I took it out because I was like, I don't want nothing to happen to this thing. So you can see I used this a little bit rough looking in there. I'm gonna clean it up. And it came with the small wrenches too, little bitty thin wrenches. It's just all around. It's a nice little set, guys. And my wife bought this for me about, like I said, almost 10 years ago. Even the wrenches are nice. The wrenches was nice. But it's a nice little kit, guys. It has probably 70-80% of what you need. It even came with these right here, the Allen keys. So it was a nice little set. You know, I went on Sears online, and Sears is still online, but it's just not the same. Not only that, they charge a fortune for shipping. So I'm like, I'll probably go on their videos website again and check out again, and see if there's anything new on there that I might be interested in. But right before Sears closed up, man, I think I bought just about everything that they had. Few things I wish I would have got more of. It's these right here, made in the USA, locking flex heads. Nice wrenches, guys. I got them for $3 a piece. And some of them, the smaller ones, was like $1. But I only got like, I got 8, 10, 12, 15, 17, and 18. I'm missing like the 9, the 11, 13, the 16, and I think there was a 19. But I go on to eBay, and these here was another nice set of wrenches. I think these might have been their first style ratcheting wrenches, made in USA. But I go on eBay, man, them things were a fortune. So, and over here I only got I got 3/8, 9/16, and 5/8. But I miss the old Sears. A lot of them are hometown stores now, and when we were out west, all the Sears that I saw, they were hometown stores. So their selection, I understand if you don't want to sell curtains and clothes anymore, that's fine. But their tool selection is like, it's not even there. I mean, Harbor Freight is just killing a lot of people with their tool selection. So, well, guys, I just wanted to shoot that video, and I encourage everybody to go over to check out Project Veritas's video. Is this the October surprise we've been waiting for? And listen to what they got to say. They got a whistleblower over there. Listen to what she's got to say about everybody getting a jab. It's horrifying. It's horrifying. That's why I tell everybody the government is for it. I'm against it. But I didn't make this video for that. I made it to show you my tool set that I used to have. But if there's a bridge out, I'm gonna tell everybody don't go that way. There's a bridge out. And I couldn't get on here and warn anybody because they already done rolled back my channel so much because stuff that I've been saying and stuff, and I don't care. I wish I can get off of YouTube, but I can't because I don't know how to get my videos off of YouTube. So everything I'm waiting for, the big lawsuit to happen, I'm gonna be a part of it, and we're gonna see what happens. But I tell you one thing, big changes are about to come, and a lot of these media places are going to be in big trouble, big trouble. So a lot of people are going to Getter. I'm thinking about getting me a Getter account, but I tried Rumble, guys, and Rumble, they got a little work to do. I tried to look at Rumble, and by the way, my chicks are getting bigger. They're starting to get bigger now. So this weekend I'm gonna work on their permanent home, because once they get full size, they ain't gonna be able to live in this thing. They're just about outgrowed it now. But yeah, the big lawsuits are coming, and on my side of the river there's a hospital called the Big E. That ain't the real name of it. The Big E, I hope they get sued too for not giving people hydroxychloroquine and stuff they need to make it. Instead, they just let people suffer and die. They wouldn't give me nothing. I had to find a doctor. Luckily, I had a real good friend, found a good doctor that would prescribe me hydroxychloroquine. Because I tell you what, if I didn't have it, I probably wouldn't be here. And I had another family member, I told him to tell his doctor to prescribe me hydroxychloroquine. He told him, well, it ain't FDA approved, so we can't administer that to you. But you can administer the jab to me, and it ain't FDA approved. Okay. So you'll give me the thing that'll kill me, but you won't give me anything that'll help me. Okay. Alrighty. So, well, I encourage everybody to go over and check out Project Veritas, because is this the October surprise? I don't know. But I tell you what, it's a great start. So, well, guys, I'm hoping tomorrow's a nice day. I'm hoping we get cut loose early from work, because we're starting to slow down a little bit. Because I want to take the car out tomorrow. I need to wash it. And this spring I'm going to work on, I need to go. I saw a Corvette the other day, has some beautiful wheels on it. I said, you know what? I'm gonna have to go up there to. There's a place up in Hamilton, Ohio. It's a rim store. I forgot what it's called. I just saw it the other day. It's a rim store, and I want to check them out because they got rims on the showroom floor. You can go up there and they'll hook you right up, and out the door you go. So I'm gonna go up there and I want to check them out. I'm also go to a tire discounter too and check them out, see what kind of wheels they got. I'm probably gonna go with Corvette style wheels on it because it is a poor man's Corvette compared to the new Camaro. The new Camaro is a rich man's Corvette. So, and they're getting ready into Camaro here. I think next year 23. Well, next year's 22, but I think 23 is it's probably going to be it for the Camaro. I'm hearing that it's going to be toast. Along with a lot of gas-powered cars, it's going to be toast. Because they want to start taxing you by the mile and controlling you. That's why 5G is being pushed everywhere. They want to be able to control that car with 5G. That way you don't pay your taxes for shutting your car off. So it's kind of like the smart meters. Well, guys, I hope you have a terrific weekend coming up. I'll try to shoot another video. I went and got the real deal. This one ain't it. This is an old one. That one's an old one. But I went and got the new one, and I just wasn't impressed with it, guys. I was not impressed with the new one. They're not putting, and stuff has gone up. One jack that I wanted was $300, and I'm waiting to catch it, see if it's going down, and it went up another $75. I'm like, man. So, it don't look like I'm gonna be getting that jack anytime soon. So, well, guys, I'm getting ready to get up off of here. I'm just about done doing my cleaning. I had to clean up my chickens. So, well, guys, like this video, share this video, comment down below if you care. Check out Project Veritas and check out Band.video. So, well, guys, until the next time, bye-bye.